Alright, so I'm going to test something out again. Going to try and do remote target, see how that goes. And so, let's see. I have 3 monoliths, 1 zelos, and a dragon for a spotter. So, we shall see how it goes in 117. Hopefully, it'll do better. I'm not sure. But with my knowledge so far, I think I might be able to do more damage than what it was in the beginning when I was trying zelos. I monoliths and 1 dragon. So let's test this out, see how it goes. So problem is my monoliths are faster. So safe range right there. Oh yeah, and look, I hurt pretty bad. Yeah, 2 zelos is a must-have then. So that's good to know. So I'll take off 1 monolith and see how it goes now. Because yeah, it's damage right there. The Zelos held out pretty well with as much damage. These are retrofit. They have not been retrofit monoliths have, so that's one thing that you need to think about. Zelos held out pretty good for a couple of mortars. So let's check that again. All right, after a little bit of time, forgot one major important factor of this is the mortar head, which gives you a 30% anti-mortar range. So that's a pretty big deal to have on this thing. So instead of 1 zelos, I put 2 zelos. Pretty sure that'll help a lot with this. So first off, let's go and alright, looking good so far. You can snipe that. And this Inferno Dragon doesn't have any armor or anything like that. Just MX3, Garrison Battery, engines. Now it kind of makes me wonder how well it'd do with charged armor. Because this is amazing. Alright. Not bad. For damage wise. So, now I'd probably hold off on this missile. I'm not sure. I'm going to go around it. Let's see. This is awesome. Working good, working good. So this is 2 zelos, 2 monoliths, and 1 Inferno Dragon. Oh, well, yeah, watch out. Okay. Pretty good, pretty good. No shots from the Mastodons yet. So, and my monoliths and zelos are still full health. And watch out for that last, yeah. Always be careful if there's a last missile or something like that. So, sacrificing a lot of damage on the dragon, but for a really good cause, I'm doing a 117 with a incomplete dragon. Amazing. So now just this last part right here. For me personally, I would probably make the Inferno Dragon #1 so that it could be a lot easier to mess with, get to it, because it's kind of tricking me a little bit. Because I have to press the arrow key 3 times of how I do these targets. Oh, that got me. See? But still, not that bad. And so now you can stack them. The only time you can't stack them is with the executioners. And so there's only 1 executioners on the other side of the damn target. And this is awesome. 2 zelos, yes. Highly suggest 2 zelos. Now I'm getting to the point where I need to take off the stack. And since there's no mortars left, I don't really have to worry about the range of how far out this is, as long as the anti-missiles can get to it. And that is, well, damn, beautiful. That's, oh, there's mortars. There's 1 mortar. Keep your eye out on shit like that. They could tear you up bad, but looking good. So almost, almost damage free with my monoliths and zelos, but sweet. Look at that. It's beautiful. I got 495,000. Thought it was supposed to be 500. Oh, I did about like 5,000 before whenever I. Okay. Let's check out. See what kind of damage or how much repair I have on it. And granted, it helps that that one has rockets, but I mean you could do this with just a 1 rocket dragon, I presume. But the specials need to have Let's see. Okay, so I have Garrison MKX and engines, high yield warheads, and MX3. I would a siege battery, a battery of some type for turret defense, and then alloy armor MX3. Other than that, my monolith builds, basically the same. I've done some refitting from my previously uh, posted builds just for a little bit of splash and stuff like that. But other than that, my zelos, I have changed them. Um, I highly suggest both high velocity rounds and subaquatic propellant with MX3, and then for the sake of being autoing the or semi-autoing the 115s with the Infernos concussive Gatling gun, because it has a range of 104, and the range of the Dragon with the rockets is 105. So problem with this gun is you cannot remote target. It is impossible to remote target. So, well, I mean, it is possible, but with the range of 68. So you're basically hugging the turrets before it will actually remote target. So to fix that, maybe take off yeah, I'm in the process of refitting this one with Gales. Refit take off one of the Gales or one of the Sprints and put a missile, or well, for the missile you'd have to do a special. So probably a launcher would be best, because that you don't need a special, and the range of it is 94, which you could still snipe the 115s with that, but you will not be able to auto it or semi-auto with that build. Actually, I haven't tried it. I wonder if it stops at the concussive Gatling gun range. Not sure if it'll still shoot the launcher if it's in that range. I'm not sure, but that's what that is. And so far it's successful. I highly suggest a mortarhead. It has to be a 1-star crew, because it has the anti-mortar range. I'll try another one, see how it does. So I'll let it slide let that be for this one. So yeah, you can switch if you have more than one Inferno, you can switch it out easy. So I'll leave that for this one, and I'll just continue testing it and seeing how it goes. So until next time, pirates, we'll figure this out.